So you'd like to install applications inside your Windows. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to install most of any app with confidence. To get started, the first thing you should know is that there are several ways to install applications to Windows. The most common methods are downloading applications from the Microsoft Store or downloading them directly from an official website. So to get started with the easiest option first, which is the Microsoft App Store, this is like one of my favorites on my default. So into my computer, I go straight directly inside, I sign in, I have my home dashboard, here's my wallpaper, I go for the search bar and I type store. Here you have the actual match of the Microsoft Store. Usually every computer nowadays, if you're brand new, have the Microsoft Store applications. Just in case there's an actual problem with your computer and you don't have the Microsoft Store, you can download it from the actual browser. Usually what I do is to open my browser. Everybody has an actual browser. Inside your browser you type Microsoft Store. And you can see here it is the Microsoft Store. Click directly inside this element and hit into the element that says Open Store Application. So your computer will automatically detect this store, and if it doesn't, it will be automatically downloading the application for you. So with this being said, we should now see the actual store inside my computer. Just once it opens, you will see the search bar at the actual top. Depending on how much you use your computer, it might be telling you, it might be suggesting you a few applications in order to get started. You can download games, you can download applications, gaming stuff, and so much more. So when you finish with this element, when you are now inside here, usually what I do is to focus into my applications. And you usually see the information such as the screenshot, the rating, and the review of an actual product that you would like to download. Let's say, for example, that I would like to install this code. So I select this code. So you will find the application and you will see once again the rating, the screenshots, the reviews, and the description of what application does. If everything looks good, click into the install button. What I can strongly suggest to you is that before you download anything, you wanted to make sure that this one is from the actual corporation, which in this case would be Discord Inc. I go for install. Depending on the size of the application and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the installation is now been completed, you'll see an open button and you can click it immediately to launch the application, or if you prefer, you can open it later from the start menu. This is one of the safest ways to install application because Microsoft checks the application before they appear into the actual store. Now, what if the application you want is not available inside here? So just in case, for example, that this code is not available into the Microsoft Store, that doesn't mean that we cannot download it. So let's go back directly into my, in this case, my web browser, and I'm going to type this code. Inside this code, usually they have an official website, right? So inside this official website, I usually go for this button that says download. When I click directly inside here, it will automatically detect where I'm actually at. So I can be choosing the element that says download for and the computer that you're using. Since we're using an actual window, you go for the element that says download for Windows, and automatically always try to download the applications from the official website whenever it's possible. If you see something like discord.org.exe.xyz, of course this might be scam, and if you download it from elsewhere than the official website, you might be downloading some scams, some fraud, phishing. So make sure that you have the actual official element. That's the reason why I actually use a lot of the Microsoft Store. So anywho, when you download your actual file, usually here it will be appearing into the recent download history. So the only thing that you needed to do is to click directly into the installation element. It will be popping up the new installation section, and what you need to do now is to grant the access between the installation and the computer in order for making the quick installation inside your computer. In this case, since I already have downloaded this code, it won't be letting me download the actual application, and automatically, of course, it will be appearing now, the installation appearing right over there. After the downloaded and the installation has not been correctly finished, you will usually see the welcome screen of whatever you downloaded. So then you may see like the license equipment, if you agree with the terms of the services, whatever, accept them to continue, and well, basically you're actually out of it. So take a moment to read each screen carefully. If you want those extras, simply just uncheck the boxes before continuing, and you're actually good to go. The application is now installed into the Windows computer. You can usually find it into the Start menu. You can click into the Start and type the name of the application to check out more. And if you're going to be using this application a lot, usually what I do is to select the element that says Pin to the taskbar. So when I sign in, the next time I sign it in, I'm going to be seeing this into my taskbar every single time. So, and if you don't want to see that anymore, just go for unpin to the taskbar, and you're actually good to go. Sometimes the application into an application, sometimes nothing happens when you double click into the installer, sometimes it doesn't. If you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools and easily like this. And if you have any question, once again, I can read you guys into the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.